Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a product that is revolutionizing the lives of many people, Folifort. If you suffer from hair loss, lack of shine, and volume, this video is for you. So, stay right here, because I'm going to reveal everything about Folifort and how it can transform your relationship with your hair. Folifort is a hair supplement developed by experts with the main objective of restoring the health of your hair from the inside out. Its advanced formula is rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients, crucial for strengthening the hair and promoting healthy growth. Among its numerous benefits, we highlight: combat hair loss. Folifort acts directly on the hair follicle, strengthening the roots and reducing hair loss. Stimulate growth. With its powerful formula, your hair will grow stronger and faster. Increase volume and shine. You will notice the difference in volume and shine of your hair, making it look more beautiful and healthy. Nutrition and hydration. The product deeply nourishes the hair, making it more resistant and hydrated. Repair damage. Folifort helps repair damage caused by chemicals and external aggressions. Folifort is a product recommended for both men and women facing hair loss, weak, thin, and lifeless hair. If you want to recover your hair and boost your self-esteem, Folifort is the solution you need. It is essential to purchase Folifort from the official website, link in the description and first comment of this video. By buying through this channel, you ensure that you will receive an original product with proven quality. Moreover, when you purchase from the official website, you gain access to exclusive promotions and special discounts, making it even more cost-effective. Guys, I need to share something very important with you. The stock of Folifort is running out quickly due to high demand. Therefore, it is crucial to act urgently to secure your hair supplement before it's too late. Don't wait and risk missing out on this product that has transformed the lives of so many people. Please remember that Folifort is an imported product, and the units are limited. The longer we wait, the higher the chances of it running out, and you having to wait longer to get yours. Don't miss the opportunity to recover your hair and boost your self-esteem. Now, you already know all the benefits that Folifort can bring to your hair. If you want to get rid of hair loss and have stronger, more voluminous, and shiny hair, don't waste any more time. Visit the official website, get your hair supplement, and transform the health of your hair. Take advantage of the exclusive promotions and special discounts available only on the official website, link in the description and first comment. Recover your hair and elevate your self-esteem with Folifort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.